How to digital signature your document. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to digital signature your document, simply you can just launch the application called CamScan over here. As you do that, all you have to do is simply just tap on the camera icon over here. And as you tap on the camera, you can see the sign option at the bottom. So you can just sign in any of the papers and then just click a picture over here by tapping on the sign option. And as you take a picture of the sign, it will adjust the picture over here. So tap on continue and just you can tap on it. So tap on whichever sign that is more better for you. As you do that, you can just lead forward. And here you can just use this picture on any of your document and you'll be able to digital signature your document. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.